pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can off the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you slip in this agent. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this. Park it in front of Lotus, next to that church is chicken. All you these sisters losers, all my siblings winning, screaming out my life. I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from this child. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can off the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got.
Well, of course, Syracuse is going to win. But if I went to Duke, I would have transferred a long time ago.
I couldn't miss this game. Duke in New York for the first time in how long? Great to see this game.
Who do you think's going to win?
Duke's going to win, obviously.
Dukey's got nothing on the orange. Nothing. I'm very fond of Duke. They're a great team. And it's going to make it all the better when we beat them today. So Duke sucks. Am I on TV?
Duke sucks!
We camped out. We've been here since Thursday. It's 2 days.
Hopefully Dawkins has another big game. That was huge for us last game. Obviously, Parker, they have a great game. We need some role players to step up.
It's Syracuse. We're the Harvard of upstate New York.